Hi friends, Dr. Flavio here. Today I'm going to share with you my take on why it is so difficult to publicly speak. You know, it's a universal fear. We all fear speaking in front of others, particularly strangers. And over the years, I've worked with many people who come here to address their fear and become more competent, and as a result, way more successful. So here are the two things that I have learned. Introspecting on these ideas will help you become a better public speaker. And of course, as always, if you need help with this, let me know and I'll be happy to help. Here are the two ideas that make it difficult for people to speak publicly. Number one, it is some form of lack of competence. We simply don't know enough about the topic. Now, there's a reason, there's a subconscious reason why we don't know enough about the topic that we are supposed to be speaking on. We haven't prepared enough, we haven't understood it enough. You know, there's a reason why we don't know more about it. We have to overcome those reasons, but but the fact that it's subconscious, we don't know what those reasons are. So we begin to make excuses for it, and we just don't learn more about it, and as a result, we don't have enough competence, and that makes it really difficult to speak competently. The second reason why speaking publicly can be so difficult for so many of us is because, and this is a bit more mystical perhaps, but it is absolutely true, it is because we're not speaking our truth. It is very common for a person to have difficulty making presentations, sales presentations, and when they come here, I ask them, okay, tell me about what is it that you sell? And this is a typical example. And once they're done with their little speech, I ask them, okay, but do you believe this? Do you consume those products or services? And oftentimes the answer is no. And you see, here we have an example of the person simply not speaking their own truth. And you say, yeah, but that's my job. I have to do the speech. I understand all of this. Our job is to help you do your job better, and you will do your job better if you learn to speak your truth. Once again, there's a subconscious reason why we find ourselves in a position where we are, quote unquote, forced to work all day not speaking our truth. You see, we have to overcome those limitations, learn to put yourself in a position where you only get to speak your truth all day, and then the whole thing becomes way easier for you. As always, if you need help, if you have questions, please let me know. Click on the Learn More button, put your email address there, send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to help and answer your questions. Because our mission here is to help you change your mind about yourself so that you may achieve all of your dreams and goals in this life. Thank you.